Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make a resume using Markdown app, the most sample word, which is creating professional ATS friendly resume, easy to edit and easy to download that. All what you need to do is just it is free tool, so you can use it as you want. All what you need to do is just open browser, then copy paste the link in the description. Then you will find Markdown resume.app. In this one, all what you need to do is just go create your resume, and here guys you will have all the updates that you need to do, so you can update your things here. It's a professional standard one, it's simple, it's easy, it's give you more credible things, and you can change some thematics here, typography and the colors and so on. So you will just update something and you can export it on PDF, as you can see guys here. So that's it, easy, simple. So guys, subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. Peace.